If you're still job hunting like it's 2015, you're already losing in 2025. The rules have changed and most people haven't caught up. Want to actually stand out, get hired fast, and land roles that pay what you're worth? Let's talk about what it really takes to succeed in today's job market. The job market of 2025 is not the same game anymore. We're living in a time of massive change. AI, automation, remote work, skill shortages, economic uncertainty, and industry shifting faster than most people can keep up. But here's the truth. Opportunity is everywhere if you know where and how to look. In the next 20 minutes or so, I'm going to break down exactly how you can not only survive, but succeed in today's job market. Whether you're just starting out, making a career shift, or trying to land a better offer, this is for you. The job market isn't playing by the old rules anymore. Let's start by understanding the new rules of the job market. We're not in the same economy we were 5 years ago. Hiring has become faster, more digital, and more selective. That's not bad news. It just means that you need to play a smarter game. Here's what has changed. Job security isn't tied to tenure anymore. It's tied to results, adaptability, and your visibility in the market. AI is doing the first round of screening. That means your resume needs to be optimized for both machines and humans. Companies are leaner. They're not hiring just to fill headcount. They want people who bring immediate value and require minimal ramp up. Degrees are no longer golden tickets. Skills, outcomes, and adaptability are the new currency. Companies are hiring less based on your resume and more on what you can deliver from day one. So if you're still relying on years of experience or titles alone, you're already behind. You need to shift your mindset. Employers are asking, can you solve our problem and will you be easy to work with? Your mission is to prove that the answer is yes, clearly, quickly, and confidently. Ask yourself, what problem can I solve and who needs that solved right now? Think of yourself as a business of one. Your skills are services. Your resume is a brochure. Your LinkedIn is a landing page. And every interview, that's a sales meeting. Skills that will make or break you. We're in a skills-first economy now. The people who win are the ones who evolve faster than the market changes. Here are the top 5 career-defining skills for 2025. Digital fluency. You don't need to code, but you do need to navigate platforms like Slack, ChatGPT, Salesforce, or Canva. Learn one tool per month. YouTube has tutorials on everything. Critical thinking. AI can write a report, but can you challenge the data? Can you spot patterns or offer insights? Start practicing by asking, what's the root cause of this issue? Communication. Clear, concise writing is rare. Learn to write emails that get responses, speak up in meetings, and present without rambling. Start voice recording yourself giving updates and then refine it. Adaptability. Entire departments are being restructured overnight. Can you switch gears without falling apart? Get comfortable being uncomfortable. Volunteer for a cross-functional project. Collaboration. The most in-demand employees aren't solo stars. They make the team better. Practice saying, here's what I'm doing. How can I support your goals? Success in 2025 is not about being the smartest person in the room. It's about being the most adaptable, reliable, and resourceful. Let's discuss your resume and LinkedIn. They are both sales tools. Treat your resume like a marketing asset because that's exactly what they are. Treat your resume and LinkedIn like marketing assets because that's exactly what they are. Resume should be skimmable, quantified, and customized. Don't say responsible for customer service task. Instead, say resolved 95% of customer issues in under 24 hours, increasing satisfaction score by 32%. Use the CAR method, challenge, action, and results to write bullet points. LinkedIn is the modern day portfolio. Use a strong headline, not your job title, but your value. Helping companies improve food manufacturing operations through lean process designs would be a good example. About section is your story and your offer. For example, with 10 years in operations, I've led teams through plant expansions, reduced downtime by 28%, and built scalable SOPs that cut waste in half. Add media like images, links, PDFs, articles, and videos. Let people see your work. Consider adding a short cover video to your profile. Even 20 seconds of here's who I am and how I can help will set you apart from 99% of applicants. Stop applying and start networking. Here's the brutal truth. 80% of jobs are filled through connections, not applications. If you're spending all day on job boards, you're playing a losing game. Instead, create a reverse job strategy. Build a Dream 20 list of companies that you admire, people you'd love to work with. Engage with them on LinkedIn. Strategically leave thoughtful comments on their content. Share their wins and build familiarity before the ask. Send personalized messages like, "Hi, John, I've followed your company at ABC. I admire the way your team approaches whatever the problem is. I'd love to stay connected and learn more about your space." Offer value before you pitch. Before asking for a job, ask a smart question. Offer a suggestion. Share an insight. Be remembered for what you contribute. This is how top candidates are skipping the line and landing roles before they're even posted. The interview is a business meeting. Let's flip the script. This is not a pop quiz. This is a two-way conversation to see if there's a mutual fit. Your goal is to prove you can solve the company's problem. Before the interview, there are some things that you need to do. Make sure that you research recent press releases, blog posts, and Glassdoor reviews. Find out what they're building, fixing, or launching. During the interview, be sure to ask strategic questions. Like, what challenges has your team faced in this role? What would success look like in 90 days? How do you see this position growing over the next year? It's just as important for you to interview the company as it is for the company to interview you. When you answer questions, use the STAR frame: situation, task, action, and result. For example, in my last role, our warehouse had a 20% error rate in shipping. I created a barcode verification system, trained the team, and within 60 days, we cut errors by 85%. After the interview, make sure that you send a personalized thank you email. This is not an outdated method. Add value. Include a quick idea, reference a shared insight, show you're already thinking like a team member. Play the long game. Most job seekers focus on the next paycheck, but successful professionals play a different game. They build career capital. Here's how. Keep learning. Invest in one new skill or certification per quarter. It's easier than ever. $29 courses can lead to a $20K salary jump. Build your personal brand. Post once a week on LinkedIn. Share a lesson, a win, or a story from your work. People hire who they know and feel like they know. People hire who they know or feel like they know. Stay connected and send one catch-up message every week to someone in your network. When jobs open up, your name will be top of mind. Document your wins. Keep a personal brag file with screenshots, metrics, testimonials, and praises. Use this for negotiations, promotions, or even content creation. The market will change. The algorithm will change. The algorithm will change, but your value and how you show it is what keeps you employed and in demand. The job market in 2015 is not easy, but it's not impossible. If you're intentional, skilled, and strategic, you will stand out. So let me leave you with this. Don't wait for the perfect opportunity. Go build it. Learn fast, lead with value, make connections, and treat your career like the business it is. The market will always change, but your ability to adapt, that's how you succeed. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please share it, like it, and send it. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, thanks for watching. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.